All right, so I have a frequently asked question, and that is, I want to keep my stock deck, I want to keep my stock radio, but I want to install an aftermarket sound system. What do I need to do so I can keep that same radio? Well, you use a line output converter. They're called LOCs. I have two examples here. One's a little bit fancier and one's pretty much straightforward. But what it does is that you run the speaker wires that come off of the radio, you run that into these, and it has all the little connections for it. And then this thing converts, line output converter, converts that signal into an RCA signal that you can use on your amplifiers, telling your amplifiers what to do. So it lets your stock radio through this thing tell your new amplifier what songs and what to play, pretty much, you know. Line output converters, you can find them on Amazon. You can find them, the big name brands. Pack makes one, but I like to use the Down for Sound LOCs. They're all available at downforsoundshop.com. The link is below. If you use coupon code Bangin Bros, it supports the Bangin Bros and all the movement we do. So line output converters is the only thing that could be keeping you from a stock car boring system to installing a brand new 4-channel and a subwoofer amp and all that jazz. Now, yes, it does get more complicated than that. But 9 times out of 10, the people that ask me this question are just going to put in a 1,000-watt subwoofer amp and a single 12. So this is exactly what you need. Now, if you are going a little bit further than that, you might want to look into something like a DSP, a line output convert. Like what I would do, and my friends Hunter's 4Runner, is we took the LOC, we hooked that into a DSP, digital sound processor. Yes, it overcomplicates it, but then that DSP actually amplifies that RCA signal. It cleans it up and it makes it to where it's the strong signal for the amplifier, so that you don't have to over tune the amplifier and make the amplifier run hot or inefficiently. It really does help a lot. So if you're looking for something that's, you know, simple, cheap, LOCs aren't very expensive. So if that's the hang up, bro, that's $15, man. Figure it out. It is a little bit of work. Sure, we'll give it that. But at the end of the day, that is how you take your stock deck, your stock radio, and you install $2,000 amplifier on it. You know what I'm saying? Or whatever you want to do. It's just one question that I get a lot of times, and I have some great examples here. Here, I'll open this LOC for you. This one's the more complex one, but I'll show you kind of some things that it does. Come on, boy. So this one is from Down for Sound, like I said, and it has all your RCAs there. See, there's what we got here, front out, front out, front out. But then on this side, you're going to install all of the speaker wires, front left negative, front right positive, front, you know what I'm saying? You install the wires that come out of the door or out of the radio, the actual song that's playing out of the radio's amplifier will be shot into here, converting it into a signal. Then that signal gets put onto amplifiers, and then so on and so forth. If you need to boost that signal, you got to get a DSP and yada, 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 and all that jazz. But like I said, if you're just one of the guys that are trying to put in a 1,000-watt subwoofer, 1,000-watt amplifier for a subwoofer, grab you an LOC. This one is the high LOC 51 from Down for Sound. This one's one that will be able to handle a 4-channel and a subwoofer amp. But if you go with one of the smaller ones, this one just does one set of RCA outputs. Where is that bitch at? Yeah. One set of RCA outputs. So if you just need that subwoofer amp, this one's it. You can get them on downforsoundshop.com. Like I said, use coupon code Bangin Bros every time. Anyway, thanks, guys. That was the question. If you got any more questions, shoot them down in the comments below. And if I have an answer, then I'll make something for it. Thank you, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Oh, yeah. I've been Anthony with Bangin Bros. You already know, baby. BIGGBRO. You already know. All right. Peace out.